Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my natural glam look, and that's pretty much just when like you're going out for dinner or something and you need to look like glammed up, but you don't want to be like fully like in your face glam because like that's too much. So this is like not a natural makeup look but not a glam look, it's like that in between look. That's what I'm going to be teaching. That's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get straight into the video. I've just got my mirror sitting here, so if I tend to look down, that's why. But yeah. So first we're going to start with the eyebrows, and I'm going to be using two things. I'm going to be using my Brow Drama by Maybelline and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow pomade. So, and I'm also going to be using my Kmart eyebrow brush. So first I'm just going to take a wipe, like a makeup wipe. I'm just going to pinch my eyebrow brush. So just pinch it a little bit just to get it perfectly flat and get some of the product out. So we're going to start with our Brow Drama actually. I've been doing my brows like natural but not. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to teach you how to do it now. So we're just going to take our Brow Drama and we're going to flick our brows upwards with the Brow Drama. But not too extreme where you look like stupid. Just like enough like flickage up. Flickage, okay. And if you don't want to do brows like this, I did just recently film an eyebrow tutorial, so you can go check that out and that'll teach you how to do a different type of brow. So now we're going to take our pomade. Keep this nearby though. We're going to take our pomade on our brush and we're just going to fill in like sparse areas. That's going to be different for everyone. So like for me, my sparser areas are like here and here, but for you, it might not be there. So just kind of start filling in your sparser areas and like flick the eyebrow brush up at the same time. Just kind of get really like into it, and do not worry about making it clean and like sharp lines because that's why we have concealer. So yeah, just kind of go crazy. Not crazy, you don't want it to be like horrifying, you just want it to be like good. So just kind of flick up, and the reason why I'm saying flick up is because then it gives it like the effect of brow hairs, so it makes it look more natural. And just keep doing that until you get your lacking. Sorry. Once you've done that, you're going to go back in with your Brow Drama and you're just going to flick the brows up again. And what this will do is it will keep them in place exactly where you want them. So just play around with this, and I use this one because it's got a bit of colour in it. So then again, you don't have to go in as dark with the pomade and it makes your job a lot easier. Also, this brow look is easiest to do when your brows are not done. So after that, we're going to clean it up, and the concealer I'm going to be using is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and we're going to carve out the brows. So I'm just going to take one of my makeup brushes. I'm just going to take a little concealer brush like this. So yeah, just carve under however you want to do that. And now we're just going to put the rest of the concealer on our eyelid. So now we are just going to take our Real Techniques sponge and we're just going to blend in the concealer. So blend that in. So after carving out the brows, it's realization time. If you need to fix anything up, so just fix up the stuff you need to, if you need to fix any of that up. So I just kind of am dragging this with my finger just to make it not as harsh. And now we're going to powder it down with the Stay Matte Rimmel London powder. Mine is a bit broken, but still works. And we're just going to take a fluffy like eyeshadow brush like this, but use it as powder, for powder, and you're just going to powder them down. Okay, next we're going to start moving on to eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. And we're just going to keep it light and natural because we're doing a natural glam look. So we're going to first off just take our fluffy brushes that we're going to be using. Ooh. So the brushes I am going to be using is a Naked fluffy brush. Not sure what this brand is, but it's another fluffy brush, and a Nutrimetic sort of like brush like this. And yeah, so let's get started. First off, you're just going to take the shade Burnt Orange, so this shade down here, and you're just going to dig in with your Naked fluffy brush like this, and you're just going to put this in your crease. Okay. So then I just take the really fluffy brush and I just blend that out just to make sure that it is completely blended. Because you do not want this to not be blended, because that'd be a disaster. Oh my god, what is that noise? Next we're going to take Raw Sienna, so this shade down here, with our same fluffy brush, and we're just going to dig into that. I'm going to put that just below, like in the crease, and drag it down a little bit. And you don't need heaps of this, it's just to give it some dimension. Okay, then we're going to take the shade Regular, so this shade, and we're really going to put that like right in the crease with our Nutrimetic brush. And this will just give it more of an orangey vibe. After that, you're just going to take your Nutrimetic brush with that same shade, and you're just going to drag that down. But I'm really pat it so it's like super bright then when you blend it, because that's what you want. Then you're going to take your flat top brush like this, and I'm going to dig into the shade what shimmer shade? Vampa, I don't know. It's this glittery shade just up here. So you're just going to dig into that, and you're just going to put that on your lid. So then your eyes should be done, and to clean up we're just going to take a makeup wipe, and we're just going to clean underneath. Okay, so that will be that, and now you're going to take an eyelash color. You're going to curl your eyelashes, and you're just going to put on some mascara. The mascara I'm using is the CoverGirl Plumping Blast Pro mascara, and you're just going to put a little bit of that on. And no fake eyelashes for this look because it's natural glam. So that's done. Eyes are completely done. So now we're going to move on to face. First with some primer. I am using the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 8-Hour Wear Primer. So you're just going to put a little bit of that in your hand. Squirt. And after you squirt that in your hand, you're just going to rub that into your skin, and yeah. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm just blending it out a little bit. You're going to take your foundation. I am using the Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm just going to, by Maybelline, obviously, by Maybelline New York. I'm just going to put a few pumps of that on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to put some dots on my face. I'm not using heaps of foundation because natural glam, you don't need heaps. And wipe that off the back of my hand and just blend that in. So once you've blended that in, just checking that everything's blended, you're gonna take your Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer and put that under your eyes. And you're just gonna put it on any blemishes. So I got a nice big blemish up here. And I got some down here. I got one right near the eyebrow. Be careful about your eyebrow blemishes, like the ones near your eyebrows, because you don't want to like put concealer over your brows, because yeah. And then you're just going to blend them out. I'm blending the blemishes out first. So now we're just going to get our powder Remy. We're just going to get ready, and I'm using the same fluffy brush again, and we're just going to blend out our under eyes and then go straight in with our powder. And that's when you clean up your eyeshadow as well, is when you're doing concealer, because now I got that cut line complete on other side. And powder down. After that, you're going to take a big fluffy powder brush, dig in, and just powder up the entire face. Don't put too much on, but put enough on. And now you're going to contour. We're going to take a big fluffy brush because I just want a natural sort of contour, if that's the thing. And then I'm taking my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm just digging into the lightest and the second lightest shade. I'm just contouring. Not really contouring, I'm just kind of warming up and bronzing the face. But yeah, you know, always good. And nose contour, because that's literally, like, if you forget about that, that's a nightmare. So just nose contour your way to victory. Once you've done that, you're going to take a blush. So the blush I'm using is out of the Maybelline New York Master Contour palette, and I'm just taking this blush here on a blushy brush. Smile, put some blush on. It'll give you like a cute vibe, like I'm so yeah. Okay, whatever, you do not care. Next, we're just going to take a highlighter, my favorite part. So today, for highlighting, we are going to be taking the Frank Body illuminator. So like this, and this is the packaging. Oh my god, there you go. And we're just going to use our finger like this, and we're going to put it here, so our cheekbones, other side. This stuff will really make you look glowy, trust me. Tip of our nose. I think this is called like the bridgy nose. We're putting some on that. Upper brow part. Upper brow part, I mean. Inner corner. Cupid's bow. This is my absolute favorite highlighter. And then you're done that. So after highlighter, we just got a couple more steps to go and then we're almost done. So another step is we're just going to take more of our brow drama and just make sure that we haven't gotten any foundation or anything over our brows, and just set them going up, set them for the gods, set them to be amazing. Then we're just going to put on a little bit more mascara, because make sure we didn't get any foundation on our eyelashes. And now we can do our bottom lashes. And now we are just going to spray our face with the Rimmel London Insta and Go setting spray. And we're just going to wipe this off with our lips. I'm just taking the Blackberry Shine by Nivea. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. We are done. So this is the finished natural glam look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you found something really useful out of it. This is just the finished makeup. And yeah, I think it's a very sleek, classy look. It looks good with sleek pony. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.